Jeso Nashula Calvary. Oh, poor man did. Poor man did die. Go Calvary and stuff. Hi guys. Mogis ka ba join live yaka twa. Twa mo live yaka. Okay, so why am I even live? Ke last tagatle. Yo yeah. Oh what happy. Yeah, what happy lo batlang ka mo. Yeah, el sedile wa me. Ki dirile man.
Still sifuna ukusimela phela kuthole ke izwi.
Yeke la shy mfana.
Ngekela mpholishe mfana.
Yeke la mbolishe mfana.
Toma ngikuputse.
Yeah.
Starta sentisi. Starta G-Wagon.
Hi. No I'm because ke gona la ga ba dikhola tsa ka di WhatsApp. Guys, nna ke tlile go le bolela gore ke kopa le vote for the royalties. Okay. I think the people that was G-Wagon. I can explain.
G-Wagon la.
Motho kana go tla ka G-Wagon mo go rona.
Hi.
Le thabele go sa ba bolele batho ba gago gore ke le koloi.
Nya wa tla go mpolaisa di hawks wena.
G-Wagon e black e le mang.
You know ba tla go mpolaisa di hawks man.
Are tla ka G-Wagon re go trip man.
A tsamaye man. A re Mpumalanga and stuff.
Tla bua ka o sane re tsamaela.
He da
Is in full time.
Tati wena wa motho le di riskine.
Man, na. No maka.
Mme re tsamaye tati.
Kai.
G-Wagon la.
Gone.
La re tla Mpumalanga ka mo.
Ore FSD. Ele ya diphuka ele.
Shema, ke kopa go enda live.
Oi.
Wow, ame nya.
Mati musore ke le koloi.
Jana na tla mo bolele batho gore ke rekile G-Wagon.
Oh, e le spirit. Ono
A
go
wa
dira
ka go
re
tsire mos.
Ke ne ke le go dira di-picture ke ba ka etsa. Ke no wa mo buile. Di malisi.
se tlatla.
Ba gona e khop be bom
Oh.
wala ka me fotek.
Fotheke wa ga tsekeleke.
My pity man. Yeah, it's a man. Give it over. Guys, please vote for me.
Dial star 120 star 32020 star 3 hash, and then you choose Gauteng, and then you vote for number 11. Thank you.
Yes.
No man, you know, look, no, no, stress. So I get simulate live ke batla go nna stress.
I can't get what about vote.
Hey,
Guys, please
I get
vote
to
for
the
the
colleague
table.
to bele gore ntse go dira ga eng go ke be live. Yeah,
Guys, please vote for the table Mukwea. Dial star 120 star 32020 star 3 star. You choose Gauteng, and
Then number
then you
11.
vote for number 11.
Yeah man, dappy man.